A ride in the 2015 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.